Hello guys, good morning everyone. How are you doing today? Yeah, let's be quick right now. So I see long setup here on gold. So I was trying to short before. I shorted from 74. And my TP was this fair value gap. It stopped me out at break even right here and went to TP. So basically I'm bullish for now. I would like to see London high taken and 4,500 taken. What else? Yeah, I see setup, we got potential C, 50% of this move up. And fair value gap here, 3-minute measuring gap tested. No, it's micro gold, not micro silver. So we broke above New York midnight open again. So far, I'm not sure about 2R. Here setups that I see so far. Over here, just London high, plus I would like to see 4,500. Based on let's see where's 2R, just interesting, 1 second. Will it be the same level? No, it's going to be 44.91. So on my Apex, 20 Apex accounts, I was trying to short gold to this fair value gap. You know, it was painful. I was in with 4 micros, I was in profit like $300. And I ended up being $30 in profit. So unfortunately, this happens and it's painful, but it is what it is. So my first trade was, I posted on Twitter, but it was exactly here. For this level, it wasn't 2R, I know, but it was first level that I was aiming for. My runner was to these lows here at 58. I mentioned this in the chat before. That's painful, but from here I expected to get reaction. So far, breaking on Apex, but I closed Apex, so trading Lucid and Tradify for now. So I saw, sorry guys, I started immediately once entering the trade. So what I want to say, come on, Dasha. My brain doesn't work today. So we got reaction from this fair value gap, right? Expecting 50% of this move up. So I'm looking for the move towards this London high right now, then probably 4,500. So let's see how it goes. Daniel, I was in with 4 micros. 4 micros. I was up $300. For me, on Apex, $300, that's all you need. But ended up being up $30. I cannot say it's bad, but yeah, could be better. And you know, funny to say, I called my husband asking like, what do you think about this trade? We were sitting, I mean, we were watching this trade together. Here, I'm going to show you now a screenshot of this trade. It was funny. See this trade? It hit my break even, but see this? It was just 1 tick away from my TP. It was so funny to see, guys. I was annoyed as well, and I'm not going to lie, I was about to cry because I was like, why when I'm trading Apex accounts, this happens with me, like always happens with me. But when I trade, let's say Tradify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, any other accounts, this never happens with me. That's so funny, guys. Yeah, Daniel, same. That's annoying. Because we got set up on micro gold. It's different setup compared to gold, right? So on micro gold, we got the closure here below this up close candle, but on gold itself, nope. And I was like, are you kidding me? Like, what are you doing with me? Why? And yeah, I expect, you know, it's definitely market maker buy model lower time frame and set high time frame consolidation. So what I expect to get, ideally I would like to see London high taken. Yeah. Good morning. Let's talk about gold real quick. Gold, come on, Dasha. I cannot talk today. You can see this, right? Yeah, I mean, when I trade Apex, I still have 20 funded Apex accounts. I always, not always, but most of the time I'm in profit like $300. That happens a lot with me. And it hit break even right after this. I know my drawdown, it's not good for my trading drawdown. I know that, but it is what it is. So yesterday I was shorting ES on TradingView TV. My short entry was such a huge sell-off this night. Okay. Who remember where I shorted from here? I also got break even. I got break even, then it went to TP, which is nice. It's perfect. As I said yesterday, it's equal highs. I said yesterday, if it wasn't equal highs, I would short again. But this equal highs was like, are you kidding me? What's the point of this equal highs here, right? So for today, I was trying to analyze charts, and honestly, I'm not going to lie, I don't see a lot there yet. I'm just trying to see where market is going today. We definitely have low resistance to downside. We're trading below New York midnight open. So maybe minor retracement down to a long to New York midnight open on the ES. That's my plan probably. Once again, really hard to say. ES, not ES. And Q still trying to respect 50% of daily wick. Pretty much we were dancing on this level yesterday, right? I may actually try to long if it's going to retrace somewhere here. Like maybe it's going to be my plan. And someone asked me about silver. So I don't trade silver, I trade gold, but I use silver to analyze gold. So on gold, I see long setup now to London high, to aim for London high. Silver confirms this? Yes, silver confirms this. Long time you didn't hear, because, I didn't stream on my channel. By the way, guys, who won Lucid accounts? Did you receive your accounts yesterday? I didn't stream. Yeah, last time when I streamed on my channel, it was 1 week ago, right? And funny to say, because I was streaming every single day, but not on my channel right after this. I was streaming on Ninja Trader live. I was streaming daily on TradingView, and I don't feel like I missed something, right? Because I was streaming like daily, right? It's funny. So long on gold, yes, to aim for London high. Talking about silver now, we broke above New York midnight open with displacement. You didn't receive your, no way, you need to check your email. Let me give you the time, what time I send this. 1 second. Accounts were sent. I see your email at what time it was? 7:39 p.m. 7:39 p.m. I send you account. Here's the long once again. I'm in on my Lucid accounts and TradingView accounts. I'm going to look for long on ES if it's going to retrace to London low to aim for New York midnight open. I think so. Guys, I sent all accounts yesterday. I even can show you the proof. See? All accounts sent yesterday. Here's break-even on Apex accounts. So it didn't hit my TP here, just saying. It hit my break-even instead. Yeah, gold long to London high and 4,500. I think so. Maybe 4,500 will happen after retracement. I don't know. No, it's just, I would say this setup is candle 2, right? Yeah, on Tuesday normally we either going to get high or low of the week. Well, Angry Trader, NQ, you still didn't change your name. I would like to see, hard to say, probably something like that. Maybe. Yeah, I entered gold at 9 a.m. 8:55. I told you so. Yeah, I entered. Yeah, here. Just want to do top-down analysis. So if I'm going to do top-down analysis right now, so we are going to figure out direction for indices as well. If I'm going to show you in the trade, at this point, we are not going to do top-down analysis. So I'm in long, not from here, higher from here, from 8:55. I'm aiming for London high. I said this 5 times already, and 4,500. So on yes, that's my probably analysis. I think so. You had to change this long time ago. Come on. No, I entered long at 8:55. I'm not in like huge profit. It's like 4 micros only. So I'm not going to make a lot, but whatever. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this setup on ES. Let's talk about, we were talking about RTY yesterday, if you watch my Ninja Trader live. So we were talking about this setup. Here's the trade I'm running right now. So, yeah. 5 points in profit. I don't want to risk a lot, 160? Like I don't know. We will see, guys. So I'm trading this, sorry guys, straight to funded accounts. I don't trade evals. We will trade evals together, so it's not my last trade today. Yeah. Let's check again. New York midnight open 77. We broke above this level already on New York midnight open. Yeah, price will not retrace back to this level. So, see? We broke above New York midnight open with displacement. Break below this level, this means we will drop again. I hate to flip my bias, but if it's going to break below New York midnight open, I will try to short. We're gonna see. So, guys, it's not my last trade for the day. We are going to trade more. I'm okay to trade ES, I'm okay to trade gold with you guys, so. Remember, I discussed this before. If ES or NQ did not test, revisit a New York midnight open between 3 and 7 a.m., it tends to retest this again. So I hope it's going to drop to London low, so I can try to long this to New York midnight open. Yeah, I don't trade NQ, guys. I trade ES, and I will look for setup on ES. So I want to trade with you guys today, so this trade will be nice to see, but I'm going to trade more. So it's not my last trade 100%. As you can see, my entry wasn't here. I entered here. What's the price level? I entered here, yeah. I entered at the break above New York midnight open. Can I say it was late? Yeah, a little bit. Let's check silver. I just figure out like using silver for confirmation, always great idea. Always great idea. So we have internal buy side. Oh, guys, we're coming for 80. It was my target last week. Oh, yeah, we're coming for previous week weekly open. Yeah, we're going there. How to call this? Like previous weekly open? We're going to 80 on silver. It was TP from last week. Remember this? We discussed this before. So maybe it will trace a little bit, but we're going higher. So TP number 1 at 86, TP number 2 at 18, at 91. So we discussed everything, so let's switch right now. Guys, who trade RTY? Share your experience, because I feel like when I'm trying to read the tape, it's okay. But when I'm trying to trade this, it's not okay. Equal highs. What's the price for equal highs? Can you give me the price for equal highs? I don't have this on my chart. $89, $85. Oh, let me see. Let me check micro gold. Feels like it's not equal highs. I'm blind, probably. Also possible. I don't see equal highs. Oh, I got it. Okay, got it. So if it's going to break below New York Midnight Open with displacement, it's going to be invalidation of longs. Come on, 2 break-evens for the day, it's psychologically hard. Come on, market makers. Life did not prepare me for this. I don't trade gold only. I mean, I'm going to trade yes. I'm okay to re-enter trade again on gold later, so... Who we are to give up, guys? Who we are to give up? Okay, 13 minutes left. Like, probably no reason to check this. Let's check on silver. Let's check silver, guys. Now, I don't trade silver, guys. I mean, I was trying last week, but it didn't let me to do this. I'm going to let you know. So I was trying to execute on Tradify and on Lucid my... I saw short on silver. I was trying to execute with micro silver, and it said like, your maximum contract quantity was reached. Contact support to request more blah blah blah. It was my first trade for the day. I was trying to execute with 2 micros, then with 1 micro. So it didn't let me to do so. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I will try to show you again. So maybe you will help me with this. I'm going to open and close position. I mean, I will try to execute with 1 micro. So let's see if it's going to work. Two break-evens for the day will be painful. Definitely. I was trying to execute SIL. I was trying to execute with... Let me try to do this. Guys, don't copy this right now. I'm just trying to show you. Maybe you'll help me with this. Let's do this flex account with 1 micro. Yeah, you know, I was trying to trade on Friday micro silver, and it didn't let me to do this, saying maximum contract quantity was reached, blah blah blah. So help me with this. I'm going to show you the message if it's going to occur here again. Okay, never mind. We don't have this anymore. Okay, maybe on Tradify. 1 second. Maybe on Tradify. I don't remember exactly where it was. Oh yeah, here. Help! What I'm doing wrong? Seriously. I cannot? Oh, I got it. Okay, that's strange. Thank you. Gold hit break even. It's my second break even for the day. Okay. This means on TradingView I cannot trade this, right? Okay. Thank you, guys. I got break even, second break even for the day. Maybe I need to switch on. Maybe I need to switch on yesterday. Maybe gold set FU. Dasha. Forget about your trade. Okay. Break even, then break even. Who we are to give up. I will try again later. It's fine. So I cannot say like we got strong closure below New York midnight open just yet. So I'm okay to re-enter if I was wrong. A bit choppy. I was trying to short, hit break even. I was trying to long, hit break even. I mean, it smells like a scam. Feel this? Okay, never mind. So we don't need to think about our previous trades. We are going to think about our future trades. It's not about this. My stop loss break even was because we broke above New York midnight open. What is gambling? Gold? Why? I wouldn't say so. Okay, guys, let's wait for another trade. So this week I'm going to post the video about New York midnight open. So I would say long still valid because we didn't get strong closure below New York midnight open yet. So I will look for another entry. I think gold goes now. Yeah, we will see. I'm okay to enter. Yes, I think it doesn't want to move. You know, yesterday it was extremely ugly price action on indices, but it wasn't bad on gold. So I believe it's not going to be bad on gold now as well. Okay, guys, let's look for another entry. So what we got? Why I'm watching on NinjaTrader. Okay, what we got here? Absolutely ugly 30-minute chart with no obvious move here. You know, it's interesting because we got the test of New York midnight open, a displacement and closure below this level. Yeah, short was valid. I took the short. Okay, perfect, amazing. Here we got break above New York midnight open, so it's long for me. So I expected to get reaction from this for a while, gap to long to London high and 4,500. So I still would like to see higher. I will look for another long, if not now, but maybe later. So let's wait, guys, for another trade. Wire mark for our flat candle. So I always highlight flat candle. I always highlight flat candle because I believe these candles are like, they don't have manipulation, and I expect to get delayed manipulation. So yeah, for our candle right above New York midnight open. Yeah, if it's going to trace to London low and will offer like setup for me 30-minute sweep with 3-minute OB, I might try to long to New York midnight open. I hope it's not going to pump immediately to New York midnight open. I hope it's going to retrace first, and then I will look for setup. Yes, ugly. You know, market still closed, so market is going to open in 5 minutes. We still have time. Market still closed. Okay, let's guys wait for another opportunity to trade. You know, I was checking Forex Factory today and I didn't see news What kind of news we have? Are we going to have... what we're going to have? Because I feel like we have Trump speaking today at 2 p.m. January 6. What else? Nothing. But it says Trump is going to speak at 6. No? What do you use for a news? Like which calendar? Because I use Forex Factory. I don't see this. Let me check Financial Juice now. Oh yeah, you're right. I see him. 9:45. PMI final. You're right. Yeah, it's funny. So on Forex Factory, it says Trump is going to speak at 2 p.m. and it's going to be orange folder news. So I'm going to just look right now at price action. Yes, because I don't see a lot on gold. Still surprised it didn't hit London high and London high. Okay. My bias on NQ. I would like to see ES test in New York with net open. Since we're so close to New York with net open on NQ, probably London high is going to be TP. But I wouldn't mind to see the tracement down first. I know I'm asking too much, but if it's going to do something like that, it's going to be better than just straight move up like that, you know? In the morning on SPX? Okay. On SPX, what's the price right now? So we're going to have minor RTH gap, but considering idea of potential retracement down, I wouldn't mind to see down on SPX. That's buy sentiment on 5-minute chart from yesterday. Then potential reaction. Maybe slightly lower, but same idea. So I hope, I don't think it's going to be big gap. I think it's going to be a small gap, RTH gap on SPX. But I think we are going to retrace lower to this 5-minute buy sentiment area. Then potential long. Another buy sentiment sitting not that far, so basically near 25% of yesterday RTH gap. So maybe it's going to be like that. So I hope to get retracement. Okay, let's be patient, guys. I'm still waiting for a trade. I promise, guys, I will look for setup to trade together today. I'm not, you know, guys, lately I feel like I would like to trade more on stream than off stream. But most of the time I trade off stream during pre-market at 8 a.m., 8:20 a.m. because I cannot start Steam at this time. But I'm trying to find setups during PM session and AM session to trade together most of the time. Okay. At 8 a.m. I cannot do this, unfortunately, because most of the time I need to drop my kids to school, daycare. It's close to my house, but still I'm not in front of my computer all the time. I can enter the trades and I can do something else. I wish I could start early. Well, gold buys. So with inside high time frame consolidation this morning, if you just joined, I was shorting from here, from 74. Not from here, from 74 all the way down to this level. Of course, it didn't hit my level. It took me out at break even over here, slightly in profit. Then went to TP. I was like, scammers. I tried to long here to aim for London high, another break even. So it's not my day today, definitely. I'm going to show you now. Let me connect my Apex accounts because I traded Apex. It was Apex trade. Guys, I understand everything. I am okay with break even most of the time. See this BS? To the tick. I mean, why? to the tick. Why didn't it reverse from here? Okay, maybe from here. Why exactly where was my break even? Then went to TP here. Painful. And I got another break even on long, but on Lucid and TradingView accounts. So this happens a lot with me. No, I was long. I took 2 trades on gold today. It was short break even to hit TP. I took a long on gold. I still would like to long, so nothing changed. Let me disconnect my Apex. It's just painful for me to watch that. Okay, looking for trade on Apex. On Lucid again. Long. I mean, exactly same setup probably. Nothing changed. We still space in New York midnight open. Long from New York midnight open to London high. I don't know, like something like that. Ideally would like to see something like that first. Second. This trade, it's 100% valid. I mean, initial trade. It's, I would say this conservative stop loss. Aggressive stop loss is going to be above this fair value gap. Why? Because I consider this fair value gap as breakaway gap. Why? Because when, you know how, like, fair value gap forms using 3 candles, right? 1, 2, 3. When second and third candle, expansion candle, that's most likely is going to be breakaway gap. So can a breakaway gap, we anticipate to get this as open fair value gap. We don't want to see price retracing down, so you can put your stop loss here. First TP London high. Now my husband is going to tell me, why are you moving to break even so fast? What's wrong with you? And I'm going to say, I don't know. Because. Today, like guys, I don't have lots of days like that, but today what happened? Break even TP. Painful. But we're strong. I love it. I love it so much. Guys, it must take London high. I would like to see we going to London high. Scared? It's not about that. It's just me, guys. It's just me. Why? Because. So last TP is going to be at 91. I know. Guys, I hope you in this trade. You're smarter than me, probably. I hope so. Cannot complain enough, but... Dasha... So how I call this move is second stage of reaccumulation. Take partial now. Not financial advice, just take partial because it's like friendly recommendation to you. Be smarter than me. I would like to see 4,500 as well. It was last TP today. Well, I'm going to take my words back. Gold price action were on point. Amazing, beautiful, easy to read. It's just me today. Maybe I slept bad. I know why. I didn't drink any coffee. You know, guys, I noticed when I eat sugar or I'm trying to... and I drink coffee, guys, my brain doesn't work at all. But I didn't eat sugar. But I was drinking smoothie yesterday. And it was with Probably sugar. See? That's why I stopped eating sugar at all. And I said to my husband when he said, like, let's buy a smoothie. I'm not going to buy a smoothie. It has sugar in it. Yeah, I mean, I feel the difference when I'm trying to eat sugar or drink smoothie, because smoothie has sugar most of the time. Oh my god. And here's like result. I mean, my read on market is on point today, but I guess my decision to move my stop loss, I need to work on it. You know, guys, as I said before, I'm exactly the same as you. I still making stupid mistakes, and I believe, yeah, I'm not better than you. I'm same trader, exactly same skills. We trade exactly same concept. And I know I need to work on my stop loss. I have this issue, and I know I have this issue with moving stop loss to break even too fast, probably. So help. How did you improve this? I need your help. I need your advice, because I feel like I'm okay with reading the market. I don't feel like I'm doing something bad. Also, I feel like I cannot say I'm a bad trader, because I feel like I'm consistently profitable trader. I feel this. But this, when I'm trying to move stop loss to break even too fast, and you know, guys, I have explanation to this. Like, here's displacement above this level, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, I need to move to break even. But what I'm doing this so fast? Like, how to improve this? Like, maybe any lessons? I mean, what? What should I do? Any advices? Move to break even. Thank you. Like, what I'm doing wrong? Yeah, it's not about this. I guess it's a psychological issue. Guys, really need your advice. Once again, don't think like I'm better than you, so I'm asking stupid questions. I'm exactly the same as you. I'm just steaming my trading. No, it happens a lot with me, and I know it's issue. Sometimes you need to accept your loss, because your loss is model invalidation. And you know, when you see like you in profit, like it almost hit your TP, I always move to break even, and that's a problem. Okay, just wanted to share. Shaking because I'm shaking my head. Sorry, it's me. I'm shaking my body now because I'm trying to explain something, and I'm like shaking my desk. Sorry, guys, about that. Yeah, I feel the same way. Like break even is better than taking loss. Is this exactly what I said to my husband all the time? Oh no. Okay, look. Okay, guys, let's focus right now. NQ and ES. What happened here? We got the test of New York with night open right as open. What else? What next? Daniel, don't do this. It's even worse than me. I believe my entry always nice. My trade idea is always nice. Like, seriously, guys. I'm humble, you know this. But I believe my analysis and my entry points most of the time, like, really great one. And I'm almost never intro down. Sometimes intro down, but almost never. But this issue with stop loss. So... Okay, whatever. Let's focus, guys. We need to trade. So since we hit New York midnight open on both ES and NQ, I cannot say we swept a level on ES. Change your voice. How? Why? You're funny. So since we just touched this level, but I cannot say that we swept this level, so probably I would like to see one more leg higher. I don't use order flow. I used to trade order flow, and my husband always. Yesterday, before I went to bed, we were watching. It's funny to say, like normal families watching some movies before they go to bed. We were watching interview of trader. It was about like how it was best scalper in the world. You probably watched this, and it was from Trade Fanatics or so. Really amazing. This guy was trading live, and he uses order flow. And we were watching entire interview and this live trading. And honestly, it's so cool. It's so cool. So I like this. And my husband was like, I would like to try to trade order flow. Not me. He wants to try. But I'm not going to. I was watching his interview, and his scalping trades were brilliant, but I understood I saw zero reason for these trades. I'm not going to lie. So it was nice to see them, these trades. Yeah, Chat Fanatics. I don't remember exact name, but it was about best scalper in the world or so. So it's really great interview. So guys, highly recommend to watch. Yeah, Fabio. Fabio. Yeah, he's Italian. Yeah, I like his accent because initially, when I was putting my kids to bed, I was able to hear his voice, but I didn't watch this. And it was like it's Russian accent, but it's not Russian accent. It's very similar to Russian accent, but he's Italian. Yeah, guys, highly recommend to watch that interview. Perfect one. I don't watch interviews a lot, but I like that one. Yeah, Fabio. This guy was Fabio. All right. So, let's see. Let's switch on 3-minute chart now. Huge up close candle here. We tested New York midnight open. All right. Let's consider first potential move here. If it's going to close below this level, I will consider this as OB probably on 3-minute chart. Maybe. Scalp for 7 points. 1 to 1. Runner is going to be. It's just first idea probably for me. Yeah. Then rejection block. Okay. I'm just thinking if it's going to close below this level. Can we please drop here? Okay, I'm going to switch right now my Flex accounts. Someone asked me about Flex. What was the question about Flex? I do have 150k 5 Flex evals because I have 150k straight to funded. Can I share the link? I am not sure you will be able to do this in the chat on YouTube, but you can send me a message on Twitter, or you ask me to share the link. What was your question? Okay, Flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 leader account. Okay, let's wait for setup, guys. I'm just thinking if it's going to close below this level, I might try to short. Micro, yes. No closure, no trades. Or what can happen? For example, we are going to sweep this level, which will be better. YouTube blocks links for some reason. I don't know how to give you access. I'm going to send link, guys. 1 second, of course. Chart fanatics. It was... It's 3 hours video, guys. I know. Here's the link for that interview. Watch. When you have time or just like background, watch this. Highly recommend. Oh, wow. Look at this move. I mean, I do like this. We're about to hit Sibs for a flat candle. New York midnight open swept. So I'm going to probably move this level here for potential OB. So I sent link. This link for today accounts. We are going to do 1 second because I don't remember. It's going to be 150k Lucid Flex. Guys, you can enter giveaway now. I'm going to send link right now. But I'm going to announce winners at 11. So here's the link to enter giveaway for one of... I'm going to do 3 accounts for giveaway, but I will pick 3 winners. 150k Flex account from Lucid. Tomorrow probably will do Epics or Tradify. Yeah. So guys, good luck. Everyone, good luck. Let me log into dashboard for you. Yeah, I will steam until 11:30. So yeah, we're steaming together today. Oh wow, look at this move up here. Wow. It's more than I expected. So we swept 4 flat candle, we approaching previous day high. Okay, let's forget about shorts for now. Like, no reason to trade against the trend. Wait. Okay, I'm going to wait. Sometimes, you know, guys, sometimes I'm waiting for 2 hours to be in trade for 5 minutes. Oh, you passed your... Perfect! Congratulations, you did an amazing job. So, I'm still waiting for the trade. So, we have SMT right now between ES and Q. We took 4 flat candle. Okay. Alright. Give me the trade, please. It's not even 10. Okay. Melt. It will go higher still. 4,500 is psychological level, so we go to 4,500. I think so. Yeah, I mean, what's the point? I have previous the high and 69.94. It's previous monthly high, right? Previous week high, monthly high. Okay. ICT yesterday, if not mistaken, mentioned equal highs at 130, 26, 130. I don't have this level, I have previous month's high, but it's lots of points to pump. Like 500 points. That's a lot. Okay, going to wait for setup. We're done with gold. It's about to fill the gap, I think. Okay. Not, I need one. Okay, continue SPX, we can go to top of old RTH gap and another 10 points higher. 10 points higher lines up with 73. We don't have levels there. Okay. His name. His name? Whose name? You like my accent? Thank you so much. Lots of people think it's really smart on their side to say how bad my accent is. I'm like, okay. You just show us how smart you are. It just displacement above New York midnight open. You know, guys, it's really hard to short when we above New York midnight open. I cannot say I was bearish, you know, guys. I wanted to see London low to take New York midnight open. So I'm just thinking if there is any reason to short, actually. Okay, open, close, open. Look at this. Wow, guys, look at this OT of RTH gap. My brain works with delay today, definitely. Is not allowed. From where are you from? I believe Lucid does not have lots of restricted countries. Yeah, that's right. It's true about like English. It's for most American people not first language, right? Double purge, YM should be going higher, but it's not. Okay, it's a bit tricky for me now. Do hit 4,500? Not yet. We're going to 4,500. It was initial level for us. CL? CL still would like to see higher. My deal name is Dasha. CL should retrace lower to New York midnight open. I would like to see some like retracement, 30 cents, 25 cents on CL. Not going to trade this. Don't want to be greedy. You know, I don't want to be greedy as well, but knowing myself, I'm not Polish, I'm from Belarus. By the way, this country next to Poland. There's no meaning of this name. It's just random name from internet. There's no story behind this. When I was trying to pick username for not YouTube, for Twitter, I just didn't want to put my real name. I was trying to find just random name. I know why. There's no explanation. Hello, hello. Lots of my classmates in Poland now. I know why, but they moved from Belarus to Poland. For how long you trade? Almost 4 years. In June, it's going to be 4 years. By the end of June. So guys, who's in trade now? Not going to lie, I didn't see a good opportunity for me personally to engage. So maybe I will trade Silver Bullet, which is also good to me. Okay, 4 minutes left until 10. Let's see. Yeah, it was a bit choppy for me to engage right at the open. Yeah, I took long as well. I took short, so I was shorting here, down here. This week over here was just scam. I longed here. So I'm just trying to figure out the bias now for ES and NQ. I believe SPX is going to fill the gap here. So it's old RTH gap from December 26. So I believe it's going to fill this gap for now. And if it's going to offer this change in the state of delay, I might try to look for the retracement down to 50% of this move up. You know, as long as we above New York midnight open, it's extremely hard to short. It's really bullish sign for us. And just keep going higher. Okay. I'm going to just wait for opportunity. Even scalp will be good to me. 10-point scalp, that's all I need on ES. Just way above New York midnight open, hard to short. So if I will decide to short the retracement down, I will take TP at 50% of this move up, and I will close my position at New York midnight open completely. I don't trade fair value gaps at all. I trade sweep plus OB in lower time frame. I'm not going to check gold anymore. Gold is done for the day. Dasha, you ever heard about... 1 second. What is NYSI? New York midnight open strategy? Is there a strategy like that? Can you share with me? Oh yeah, please send me, please. Okay, I did my best to learn fair value gaps, guys. I've watched lots of videos about fair value gaps. I'm not going to lie. I'm just not good at fair value gaps. Thank you so much. I found order blocks work better for me. Of course. It happened 2 times today. Let's cover this. I'm going to open micro gold because I executed on micro gold. So first sweep here, see? Sweep here, we swept New York midnight open, it was my high time frame level. I already showed executions before, so I showed it here. Not going to just back to connect accounts, don't want to connect. I entered over here, let me move. My stop loss was here, TP was at 60. At 65, blah, 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 I don't remember exactly. It was this trade. sweep on 30-minute chart, 3-minute OB. Second trade, I took 2 trades on gold today. I entered long, so we got the closure here. Once we got sweep, to confirm sweep on 30-minute chart, we need to switch on 3-minute chart. OB was offered, yes it was. Over here, I entered long. I was late, I had to enter here, but I entered here, slightly lower. I put my stop loss over here, and I was aiming, you saw my entry, so. And my 2 trades today. I showed executions before, you can just go back to the beginning of the stream and watch. That's all I talk today. I use 3-minute chart for entry only. That's what I traded today. And that's it so far. So let's wait for another opportunity. Once again, I already prepared another account for you guys. Let's trade. Yeah, break even too. We discussed this for 5 minutes that I'm not good on this. Both times. Once again, I feel like because I'm not going to blame Smoothie for this, but that's because of sugar. With Lucid giveaway, it's going to be on my website. Once again, log in to this website. If you have account, you're good. If you don't have account, create account. Here's a link to participate in giveaway. Can you explain order block? I have lots of videos about this on my YouTube channel. I explained this model many times. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to give up, so it's only 10 AM, so let's wait for another trade. We don't need to stop, right? I'm here to trade with you, so let's trade. Let's find setup first. So SPX is about to fill the gap, which is nice. Angry trader, yes. Obviously it's risky. We already pumped a lot. SPX is about to fill RTH gap, so it should offer some retracement down. Well, some people consider order block as supply and demand areas, and probably I would like to agree with them, because I feel when I was learning supply and demand, I was part of, how's this community called? Invested Trade community. I still in their Discord. I was watching his course, and when I was learning about supply and demand, I figured out it's pretty much same areas where we have OB. So for me personally, in order to short, we need to break below New York midnight open. I will explain this part on my YouTube this week. Yeah, if you see hourly SIP, you can use 5-minute chart for order block and entry. If you use 30-minute SIP, use 3-minute chart. Yeah, you're doing right about this, but about stop loss placement. Yeah, Carmine. Also good trader in my humble opinion. You know, even if someone told you like you cannot see supply and demand areas on your chart, it doesn't mean you cannot. So do your research, do back test, forward test, because for some people, if it doesn't work for some people, it doesn't mean it will not work for you. So I will wait for retracement down. So I will short this retracement down. It's okay, ask questions. I'm perfectly fine with questions like that. So how long are you profitable? It's going to be second year started. So I feel I became consistently profitable in 2025, beginning of that year. So basically 1 year. I cannot say I was unprofitable before this, but consistently profitable from last year, beginning of last year. Yeah, Carman uses Bookmap. I know. Yeah, that's good trader. Like seriously. So far, from what I saw, I in my opinion, who trades live or at least explain price action with doing real-time market. So it's Carmine, and that's Fabio guy, which I discussed before, scalper. It's Carmine and Fabio. I don't know any other traders that I can say I would like to watch many times. But those two guys, yes. They don't trade ICT, but that's perfectly fine. I just like how they react on a market and their psychology. It's nice. Silver hit 80. Yeah, it was obvious level. I will short retracement. I believe once SPX will fill this gap, I will try to short, but I will wait for 5-minute OB, 3-minute OB. I will scalp for 7-10 points. I will pick winners for giveaway at 11 AM. I use same strategy on all my trades, yes. I believe Carmine Fabio, yeah, they're from the Italians, right? I think so, right? Words of the okay. I didn't watch, I guess, his first interview. Yeah, I will check right after stream. I prefer to watch something, you know, like when I'm doing some stuff. So I'm watching like interview as a background. Yeah, this is what I said. I like his psychology, and I was trying to understand how he trades because I was watching his live trades on Chart Fanatics yesterday, and honestly, I understood nothing. But I enjoy watching this. For our 4-minute chart, never watch this. It's just like, you know, time frame alignment chart. Same you're going to use for market maker model. So let's say we hit daily fair value gap. And on to anticipate reaction, and this reaction is going to be market maker model. If it was bearish fair value gap on daily chart, reaction from this daily fair value gap is going to be a market maker sell model on lower time frame. And in order to figure out which time frame it's going to be, we need to use time frame alignment chart. And for sorry guys, for daily chart, it's going to be hourly chart. So let's say we hit daily bearish fair value gap, we are going to switch on hourly chart, and we will look for market maker sell model there. If it's a 4 chart, it's going to be 15-minute chart, a slow time frame. For hourly 5-minute chart, for 30-minute 3-minute chart, for 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. For 5-minute chart, 30-second chart. Make sense? I try to do an book map. You're not alone with this. Which gap from I'm watching for we already filled this from December 26. We just filled this gap. Okay guys, let's see if it's going to retrace soon. And we will try to trade this retracement, right? I just don't know which time frame to use because straight move up so far. I don't know yet which time frame we are going to use, but I hope we are going to figure this out. 5 or 10-minute chart. Okay, 1 second. It should offer the action soon. Okay, guys, looking for short soon. We'll short down to New York midnight open and 50% of move up. I took 2 trades today. Only so far, and I'm watching for third trade because these 2 trades weren't good with my psychology. Okay. Probably if it's going to close on 5 below this level, it will offer inversion plus OB. And okay, first potential short I'm going to take is going to be that one. For 10 points. That's enough for me. 10 points, and I'm going to risk around like 5 points. I can trade 10 micros on 1 mini contract. Okay, let's wait. I'm waiting for short now. I don't see short setup yet. I'm just saying I will look for short soon. I will show you once I enter the trade, so nothing to hide. Come on, IndyTrader, stop lagging. Yeah, prepare accounts, going to copy accounts. If I'm trying, I'm trying to compare ES and Q now, and Q looks a bit more bearish compared to ES, but I will short ES. Already short? Yes, wow, you're fast enough. You're moving stop loss to break even soon as well. See this issue? Well, ES doesn't want to confirm short yet. I'm just going to wait. So guys, if you would like to enter giveaway, here's the link. And good luck. Good luck, everyone. Looking for short. No keyboard free. No, nothing. Just enter this. Just click this link, guys, and fill the form. That's it. I will pick winner with you guys. I will show you how to do this. How I'm going to do this. Because I'm doing giveaway right now on my website. Look at gold. A bit choppy right now. You see 30-minute sweep, right? You know, 3-minute chart is something between 1 and 5. For 5, we always have bigger stop loss. For 1 minute, we have lots of noise. It's something in the middle, between 1-minute chart and 5-minute chart. I hope it makes sense. Short? No. I don't see shorts yet. I mean, I'm not on short. CL for sure. I would like to see CL retesting New York midnight open. Never mind, it already did that. So never mind. I don't know anymore. It was just I expect, as I said before, 30 cents drop. We drop almost $1. Never mind. I don't have levels for CL anymore for today. By the way, guys, if you bought accounts with Apex with 90% off, you need to pass by today because $65 activation fee valid only during promotion time. It was my personal issue, that's why I'm just trying to say this before deal ends. Because my plan was I'm going to buy just extra 20 accounts to have them as reserve. And once I pass them, let's say I blew my 20 fund accounts. And what I can do? I can just activate this with $65 activation fee. Of course. Of course. Yeah, ES still bullish, so I wouldn't short this yet. The extended PA fee? 1 sec. Like, seriously? Oh. This means... Still nothing for me. Yeah, they extended the activation fee for the January 11, I see. But deal ends today, so... That's good, but still. So far, what we have? This one on my Apex accounts. And that's it. You know what I saw this morning? I saw a post on like, it was like educational post. Someone sent message, a post like saying, today I made $400 risking nothing. And he said I was scalping across 20 accounts. I was like, let me calculate in my brain. So you made $20, and it's so stupid for me to multiply this by 20, because $20 and $400 is huge difference, because you either $20 closer to your payout or $400 closer to your payout. It's huge difference. And saying like you made $400 when in reality you made $20, it's stupid. Because also you can calculate, come on, I made $36. Let me multiply by 20, and I can say, I made $700 on my sim funded account. Wow, I'm rich today. It's stupid. Seriously. Okay, still nothing I like. Once SPX will show sign of reversal, I will try to short. Quick short for 10-15 points. This $26 basically break even. I was up 300 something. It just retraced back to break even before hitting my TP. It was short on gold, so I could make $450 on this trade on each account, but ended up $36. Rejection block. See, that's the difference. So 15-minute rejection block, it's high time frame level. Did we get any confirmation on 1-minute chart for this? Let's see. I cannot say so. So once again, consider high time frame pedigree as level where we anticipate to get market maker model on lower time frame. 15-minute rejection block. We jump in the 1-minute chart. Do we have smart money reversal? Nope. We don't have it. Should we short this? Not yet. Just thinking this in terms of market maker model all the time. Okay. Twins model on gold. Not really. Don't really like this second fair value gap below 50%. You know, like first fair value gap in premium, second fair value gap in discount. Yeah, according to model itself, yes, it's like twins model here. I don't like it yet. I mean, technically it... Yes, I can say so. It's twins model. What I don't like that this fair value gap, one fair value gap in discount, another in premium. But yes, you're right. Consider model itself, yes, it's twins model here. Good catch here. So Yeah, definitely, definitely. Okay, we are not going to give up waiting for entry. Okay, my friends told me we have equal highs on SPX, which I don't have on my chart. Okay. Seriously? I'm looking for a retracement down. I will try to short. A retracement keyword here, not reversal. Retracement. I will scalp 10-15 points. That's my plan. Changing the state of delivery is order block. Order block is changing the state of delivery. So it's same. It's the same case. Guys, I'm looking for a short once again. Retracement down. I wouldn't mind to see another leg up. Last one. And short. Another leg up to create new high of the day. I don't trade 1 minute chart at all. You use 45-second chart? Wow. My life is not going to be the same anymore. So what I'm waiting for, probably that one. Maybe slightly higher. That's what I'm waiting for. So guys, once again, don't forget to participate in giveaway. I sent link in the chat before, going to copy again for you. 3 150k Lucid Flex accounts. Here's a link. So normally when you pass your evaluation account, you need to sign agreement within 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, depends on prop firm. And yes, then you can pay activation fee. You have time window. I don't remember how long, but you have. You need to sign agreement. That's what you need to do. Is ever going away? If they're going to extend this deal, 90% off, I'm going to buy 20 accounts. I mean, my Apex account's good right now, but still. My plan was, it's pretty cheap activation fee and cheap accounts. I was like, I'm going to just buy 20 to have them as reserve. So my plan probably is something like that I showed you on the chart. I'm going to trade this. Well, I wouldn't say Apex has horrible rules to get payout. No, I wouldn't say so. You have consistency rule, so follow this consistency rule. You have consistency rule pretty much everywhere. I wouldn't say it's really hard. Only bad about Apex is trade and drawdown. Anything else, it's good. If you pass your evaluation, you need to pay one-time activation fee. Lucid or Tradify? That's a great question. And really hard to answer this question. That's top, in my opinion, top 2 prop firms right now. Futures prop firms. Both are great. And I trade Tradify and Lucid all the time, every single day. I still have Tradify straight to funded, Lucid straight to funded, but I got lots of evals. Flex evals, because Flex, in my opinion, better than straight to funded, but my account's alive, so I don't want to blow them. I wanted initially, but changed my mind. So I know Lucid and Tradify, they're amazing, best of the best. You will not find better yet. I like this move higher here. That's exactly what I want. So account costs $19, right? Multiply by 20 for evals. So to activate account, $65. $65 multiply by 20. Then evals plus activation fee. Here's your cost. It's, I'm not mistaken, $85 multiplied by 20. It's less than $2,000. Did I calculate this right? Yeah. It's less than $2,000 for 20 accounts. It's really incredible deal, guys. 1,700. So basically, true cost of funding and 20 accounts is going to cost you $1,700. $1,700. So how it's going to look? I have 20 funded accounts right now. But if I'm going to pass evals, I need to pay monthly fee until I activate these accounts. So your monthly payment is not going to stop. You know, I used to think like consistency rule is bad, but my consistency rule right now is 20%, for example, on Lucid and TradingView, and it's not that bad to hold this 20% consistency rule. 21, to be more specific. Well, your intraday trading drawdown is going to stop once you will hit your drawdown plus $100. So on Apex is 2,500 drawdown plus $100. You're not going to have intraday trading drawdown anymore. It's going to be fixed, which is also like not that hard to reach. Just make $2,600. One-time activation. I guess every single prop firm has one-time activation fee, like lifetime activation fee. But I like prop firms that has one-time eval fee. You like you long gold, okay? I guess that's smart to continue long in gold because silver is still bullish. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, when you have base hit, consistency rule is not a problem. For example, for me, it's not a problem anymore. Yeah, I remember days when I made lots of money and my consistency rule was destroyed. But right now, base hit, that's it. Everything above this is extra. I'm going to use this money, for example, to trade PM session. So I'm going to stay with base hit at least. Yeah, of course, and trader in queue. This is how business works. So I have 34 fund accounts now. I have 3 TBT. I need to pass extra 2 accounts. I have funded just 1 funded next, 1 legends. Funded X closed my funded accounts because of inactivity rule. So I don't have funded X anymore, unfortunately. What else? Lucid, Epix, Take Profit Trader, TradingView, Legends, just 1 account. 1 account with funded next. What did I miss? This is a guess. I'm going to buy alpha futures as well. Base hit, yes. It's fixed amount of dollars you're aiming for the day. Like you want to aim for $500 for the day on each account. For example, once you hit $500, you walk away. You don't trade anymore. $200K fund account. Oh, nope. But Budinox. Nothing wrong about them. They have incredible sale, but their activation fee. Did you see their activation fee? They good perform, like seriously. But activation fee. Nope. I will try to stick to Apex. With Budinox, you can have 11 accounts, right? If not mistaken. Up to 11 accounts. It's okay. I'm just going to stay away for now. It's just too much for me to pay activation fee. Not worth it. I do like funded next futures, and yeah, they're amazing. Seriously, I have accounts with them. Did you see guys new bold plan? I'm going to buy some accounts bold plan because it really works for me. You can have up to 4 payouts only, but it's not expensive. It's daily payouts. I'm going to try bold plan, guys. Yeah, they announced this. It's going to be this plan is only for 2 weeks, but this works for me. Funded next futures, guys. If someone wants to ask me top 5 prop firms that I'm going to trade every single day, it's going to be TradingView Lucid, TPT Epix, TPT Take Profit Trader, and funded next futures. Nothing else. What happens next? They're going to close account. They're going to close your account. That's it. Yeah, of course. Always better to have like personal account, of course. Well, when I see new prop firm and get TradingView, my answer is going to be I'm okay to try every single prop firm, so as long as they have good rules, so I'm okay to have to be funded with them. Funded next future, seriously, yeah, seriously, what's wrong with them? So okay, let's focus right now. If ES is going to offer 3-minute OB plus displacement below the slow, I can actually try to short. Take profit does not have straight to funded. Nope. You need to pass a while with consistency rule on it. Yeah. No, no, no. No, no, no. Yeah, I'm looking for scalp for 1.5 to R. That's my plan. CFD, I never tried CFD, guys. Yeah, for retracement, not reversal. I will short for 50% retracement and New York midnight open retest. That's my plan, guys. 7-point stop loss. Okay. Lucid Flex, where are you? Lucid Flex 1, Lucid Flex 1, going to copy across 5 accounts. Okay. Yeah, it's not in sync, unfortunately. In stocks and shares. I mean, my husband does this. I don't. To midnight. That's actually great. It's New York midnight open. Tell me gold reverse from 4,500. That's insane. Look at SPX trying to respect equal highs. Yeah, I'm looking for this scalp down. I'm watching and waiting for the closure first. And I will short. I will use market order as always. What time New York midnight open? Midnight. 12 a.m. It's okay. Luck some profit, luck some profit. It's okay. Okay, on micro, yes, I'm going to trade micro, yes. We didn't get the closure yet. Okay, going to wait. 17 seconds left. How much risk? Like 300, 400 bucks? That's affordable. Good trade at this point. We got the closure on ES. We didn't get this closure on NQ yet. What about ES here? Micro ES here. It's risk. I'm going to risk 300 bucks to make 450. It's like 1 to 1.2 or okay, let's see. Doesn't sound bad for me. Let me check 5-minute chart real quick. Same closure on 5-minute charts. Looks good. Would like to try the short, I guess. Yeah, looks good. Sorry, guys. It just flex evals. But anyway. By the I'm close to pass this evals right now. So I'm thinking what will happen if they're going to create new high again. If they're going to create new high again, I will try again. So the risk around 300 bucks to make 400. I mean for 50%. So basically trading this now. Yeah. Let's see if this scalp is going to work. If not, so what I will try again. It's perfectly fine for me. I will wait for probably NQ to take Friday high, and I will try same exact short right after this. On yes. Maybe it will happen during lunch. We will see. There's 50%, 58.25. Where I put my yeah, it's same. Just quick scalp, quick short. So why I'm trying to short? I already explained before. SPX completely filled old RTH gap, right? Sorry, guys. Also, SPX hit equal highs. We inside sell sentiment on SPX as well. So I said if SPX is going to offer OB on 3 or 5-minute chart, I will try scalp short to 50% of this move up from today. That's why I entered the trade. Isn't 25 account TPT better? Yeah, I would say it depends. It depends on your risk during the day. You trade a lot or not? That's also important. I'm going to be on Tradify TV, yes. So let's see if it's going to play out. I just explained this like 2 minutes ago. Guys, I am aiming for 50%. I entered with 8 micros, by the way. Let's see if it's going to play out. Do you have cold? Really hard to say. You know, kids back to school, and yesterday I felt like my kids getting sick. Like new viruses, they trying to switch these viruses at school. Probably I'm getting sick as well. Who knows? Oh, I use market order. Market orders. I don't use limit orders. It's not for me. If it's going, you know, since I'm trying to scalp, I think if it's going to retest previous day high, I will take just some off there. Yeah. What is this? I don't remember. Let me remove this. What I don't like... actually, never mind. Oops, not here. I wanted to do this on TradingView 1 second. 3-minute chart. Yeah, on NQV also got changed in the state of delivery. Guys, I might try to take partial at previous day high level just to lock some profit because I'm just scalping right now. I don't think it's bad to lock 5 points. Where's previous day high? Yeah, I will lock some there if it's going to retest. Just a little bit. Or it's going to stop me out. I will try again later. So it's flex, Lucid 150k flex. I'm close to pass them, so that's why I would like to keep trading these accounts. Yeah. 1.4 hour potential trade. Okay, here's what it is. It's SPX. It's SPX chart, and I want to see 50% retest as well. Sorry guys, what do you think about shorts? How big chance to get retracement down to 50%? What do you think about market right now? Did I set alert at previous day high? Nope. No. 665. Oh, it was also shorting. Okay. So I'm just thinking, if SPX wants to make new high, which by the time is okay right now, to short, I will look for another entry for short, exact same idea to 50% of this move up from today, just later today. I don't want to stop me, this stop me out because setup is here. Sweep, 3-minute OB, SPX offer 3 confirmation. Definitely I see entry. But if for some magical reason it's going to stop me out, I will try again. Maybe during lunch. Maybe during PM session, because I'm streaming PM session as well. Okay, alright. What do you have on one? We don't have a lot. We're about to retest previous day high level, by the way. Well, on SPX, we got 3 confirmation. It was sell sentiment, hourly sell sentiment, plus we completely fill RTH gap, plus we hit equal highs. What I would like to see, some retracement down to 50% of this move up. That's it. That's what I'm aiming for. Hello, hello. Welcome. Do you take daily profile in consideration? Can you show it? Yeah, it's on my chart right now. So 100% is basically top of old RTH gap from December 26. That's first. Equal highs, you can see equal highs. On hourly sell sentiment, I don't remember if it was hourly or 30-minute chart. Yeah, over here. We hit this. 3 confirmations, no reason not to try. Where can I open SPX? 1 second, I want to open another chart on my another screen, ES chart. I wouldn't say it's like, it's just logical move. On ES, exactly the same. Like we filled, let's say we filled RTH gap, we took equal highs, we anticipate to get reaction. Reaction, not reversal. Reversal maybe, but reaction. Reaction can be either retracement or reversal, right? That's it. So guys, you have 30 minutes to enter giveaway. 30 minutes to enter giveaway. Okay. It's becoming boring. You know, when I'm in trade, I prefer to see quick moves. Not like this. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like. So I'm just trying to do my best on streams. I'm streaming daily. If not on my channel, then on Tradify TV or Ninja Trader Live. Like somewhere, you will see me somewhere every day. Unless I'm sick, I'm not streaming. This is 1 hour, a little bit more, 1.2. It's scalp. I call this scalp. Gold. I don't like gold, honestly. No, look. Here's my accounts on Lucid. Let's talk about them. 5 evals, 5 funded. 5 evals, 5 funded. So you can have, I don't remember how many accounts you can have, evaluation accounts you can have, but you can have only 5 funded. So no, I will not be able to trade 10 funded accounts. It's going to be just past evals. For me, that's it. It's going to be 5 past evals, which I'm going to just have as past evals. And 5 funded accounts. So it's flex, 150k flex. This one, Lucid direct plan. Direct, right? Straight to funded. Also 150k. It's becoming boring. Come on, market maker, some action for me. Something, please. I'm just scalping. I'm not good scalper, guys, but when I see bullish trend, but I can anticipate reaction, I'm scalp for 1 hour. Sometimes less, but I'm scalping. It's okay. Sometimes it's okay to take a trade less than 1 hour when you're trying to scalp. It should move lower. I mean, I hope so, since I'm this trade, but who knows? Who knows? Please. Just something. Do something, please. Okay. I'm going to switch on SPX. Sorry, guys. It's SPX. I mean, volume profile chart. Here is indicator for this. Here's indicator for this. Come on, take previous day high. Previous day high first support on ES. So basically resistance that turned into support. Yeah, I will make video, but lots of other questions about New York midnight open. I will lack some profit at previous day high. Just some profit because I consider this as support. Why not to take some partial? Just a little bit, but to take some. Okay, guys, hate me, but I'm going to move at break even. See SPX? Guys, important on SPX now. If SPX is going to hit this 50%, it may reverse without hitting 50% on ES. You heard some Russian words? Probably. Sorry about this. I could say something, but I don't realize this. This happens with me a lot. Sorry, my bad. Oops. Hey, I mean, looks ugly. Guys, take partial. 2 micros left. Trading stop loss. Come on, baby. 2 micros left. Are you kidding me? Why didn't get feel? Guys, it's done. Why didn't get feel? It's fine. Trading, stop loss. Feel it! I said so! Done. Okay, guys, quick trade for 1 hour. Just to lock some profit. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Who is the best? We are the best. Good job. Honestly, I'm so happy I took trade with you guys on Steam because after some break-evens it was painful. Don't forget to click the like, guys. Subscribe because I'm doing this. I'm trying to do this daily. Good job. Yeah, it's scalp, but we plan the scalp. By the way, guys, don't forget to click bell icon because I post lots of educational videos. Seems like people miss this and ask questions. Don't forget to click the bell icon. New video about New York midnight open is coming. Guys, look at our trade. We were in drawdown for a couple of ticks. Need to take some trades on this account. Oh, it's keep dropping. Quick recap. I mean, I explained this trade like 10 times. So, it was idea on SPX. on SPX, what happened? We tested sell sentiment on hourly chart. We took equal highs. We completely filled RTH gap. At the beginning of Steam, I said if it's going to expand higher, fill the RTH gap, and will offer OB, I will short to 50% of this move up. This trend was planned like hours before this happened. Yeah, remember New York with net open is last TP. I just wanted to be conservative. Lock some profit and walk away. Walk away. Lock some profit, walk away. You know, I hit, guys, 2 break even today. It's really mentally hard for me. I will try to take some money when I can take this money. Then hold. Seriously. Okay, guys, 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Let me send link again. Guys, I'm giving away 3 150k Lucid Flex accounts, which I traded today. With a straight, oh, good job. I didn't pass yet. I'm close. I need to make 9k. It's hard. I will take like a little bit, like 300, 500, but I'm consistent with a profit. So in order to enter giveaway, guys, click this link, enter giveaway. So I'm giving away accounts that I traded today on stream. So what's the beauty of Flex evals, Lucid Flex evals is no buffer for payouts, no buffer required for payouts. Guys, if you're new and you first time on my website and you're trying to register right now, you need to confirm your email. Go to your email box and check spam folder or your folders, like main folder. Confirm your email. It just once. Just once. I use only one model on that I trade. I don't use fair value gaps order blocks. So what I use is, let me send you a link because all, guys, I don't sell any courses. So everything available on my YouTube. 1 second, I'm going to send you now a video about this. By the way, don't forget to watch my video about OT retracement because this is important, especially RTH retracement. Here's a link for model I trade. Also, I included backtest. So I'm going to announce winners on stream. So guys, 3 more minutes to enter giveaway. Yeah, pretty much liquidity SIP, 3 minute OB, 5 minute OB, depends on... okay, my idea is sweep plus order block, but confirmations, many other confirmations. Your SPX, why? SPX chart. So I use SPCFD chart. It's free. You don't need to buy subscription, just CPCFD. Guys, also, if you entered giveaway, don't leave because I'm going to ask you if you're in the chat or not. If you're not in the chat, I'm going to pick another winner. So if you entered giveaway, stay on stream. So you need to say, if you want, you need to say, it's me, I'm here, I won, woohoo, something, right? Please. Don't leave if you entered giveaway. You got it. Yeah, Alan, did you short? Did you long today gold or shorted ES? I know, you probably shorted something. Okay. Okay, let's announce winners. Okay, let's announce winners. Let me log in first. Okay. Time to announce winners. Once again, if I called your name, I sent name in the chat, you need to say, it's me, I'm here. Okay, like first, okay, 3 winners today. 3 winners. First winner. Who is winner? 1 second. It's like, winner is winner. I don't think like it's right. Let me try to copy this. Strange. Let's try again. Maybe it's lagging 1 second. It's not right 100%. If not, I will choose different way. It's just lagging right now. 1 second. I will do another way. I will do another way. 1 second. We'll do another way. It's funny. Let's do like that so far. Okay. Here's the winners. It's better right now. Well, winner is first one. Of course, Dasha. Only you could do this. Second one. Guys, right now I need your names. Julio Rodriguez, blah, blah, blah. Are you in the chat? Guys, if you see your name, I see one of them. Okay. First one, yes, here. What about... Just if you see your name, please say, it's me. I won. Woohoo. Are you here? Let me... Cynthia? Did I say this right? She's... Yeah, I can see... Oh, I see you. Yeah. Okay, perfect. We got 2 winners here. Last one, best one. Are you here? Please, tell me you're here, so... Yeah, I see 2 winners. I don't see another one. I'm going to give you 1 more minute to say Julio Rodriguez if I pronounce your name right. If you're here or not, I will pick another winner. If your TradingView doesn't show SPX, please send me a direct message. I will help you. Oh, look at the ES. ES just dropped to New York midnight open. Our entry was on point. Okay, I'm going to pick another winner. I'm going to delete this one. This guy, okay. Actually, okay, pick another winner. One, two, okay, this guy, okay. Gulshan, are you in the chat? Yeah, I see you. You won. You're good. I'm just trying to pick another winner, last one for today. Yeah, you're good, guys. 3 winners for today. We're done with this. So I have 3 winners. I will send you accounts, guys. Look at this drop. Look at our entry. We have 3 winners. Because I don't have 50k accounts anymore. My bad. Oh wow, I still good with this, so. Lock some profit. Once again, lock some profit and go away. I would say today's model play out like just so perfect. Okay, guys, we have 3 winners. Let me make sure. So India, I guess India allowed. I'm gonna check right now for trades in Lucid, if not mistaken. Gonna check now. Yeah, you can trade. Don't worry about this. Chris. Yeah, it's dropping hard right now. I don't feel FOMO, so I trade according to the plan. Where's SPX? Oh, look at this. SPX. Yeah, okay. I could hold to New York midnight open, but whatever. Could get just a little bit more money, whatever. Alan, that's good. You know, I would hold to New York midnight open probably as well. It's okay. Any bullish setups? I don't see any yet. I'm going to Steam PM session. I hope I'm going to trade PM session. Right now for AM session, probably no anymore. But PM session, yeah, why not? Guys, I Steam PM session daily. So I'm trying to trade PM. Yesterday I wasn't short. I was short into also painful trade, but was right trade idea. I know, by the way, I believe KT Khan 889. You got TP yesterday on short on yes? Did you see where we what was low of PM session? Exactly where was my TP? Asia streams. Oh, you got perfect. You were better than me holding that trade, to be honest. That's great. That's great. I tend to move to break even fast. I know that. Okay, we did amazing job today. I'm going to Steam PM session in less than 2 hours on 1 PM on Tradify TV. So I'm going to take a break, but if I will see setup, guys, we will trade again. It's going to be my 4th trade for the day. Gold, 50%. What's the level for this? I will not be surprised to see gold just is going to stay inside consolidation. See? It cannot really, like, stop testing New York midnight open. That's my concern. Yeah, I don't know about gold. I will keep you updated. I will take a break from trading for 2 hours. Need some rest because once again, I feel like I'm exhausted. This gold trades today, like, it was just kind of hard for me. Yeah, guys, I will see you in 2 hours. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to Steam tomorrow and daily giveaways as always. Wish you good luck. Please don't make stupid mistakes these 2 hours. Like, please. Well, See you in 2 hours on TradingView TV. TradingView TV, it's on YouTube. Just search this. I'm going to be there for almost 2 hours with you from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Let's hope to get something. I will trade TradingView straight to funded there. I hope to get set up. But guys, I'm going to trade ES. I'm not going to trade gold. ES, and we will see. Last thing for today, Apex, guys. Once again, Apex sale ends tonight. 90% off ends tonight. So activation fee extended until Saturday, but 90% off ends tonight. If you want to get accounts, please buy accounts today, but you will have time to pass until Saturday to activate with $65 activation fee. So I personally have 20 accounts. I do like them so much. So don't forget to get with 90% off because it's quite cheap. It's $85 true cost to funding for one account, which is, I would say, cheap. You can have up to 20 accounts. So guys, see you soon in 2 hours. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.